What is 0.125 in scientific notation? To write the decimal number 0.125 in scientific notation, look, we will follow this scientific notation formula: a times 10 raised to the power n. An is a coefficient and its value is less than 10. N is an integer, it can be 0 or positive or negative whole number. So to find coefficient, move decimal point 1 places. So we are getting 1.25. To compensate the moving of decimal from here to here, we have to multiply by 10 to the power n. Here the value of n will be what? We have moved decimal point 1 places, so power will be 1, and the sign of this exponent will be negative because we are moving decimal from left to right. Or you can remember that this number is less than 1, so this the sign of the exponent will be negative. So look, this is the scientific notation for 0.125.